Once upon a time, in a bustling city filled with endless noise, lived a young woman named Clara. Clara was an artist, but her mind was anything but a blank canvas. It was crowded and chaotic. Every morning she would wake up with 1,000 worries buzzing in her head like a swarm of bees. Will my painting be good enough? What will people think of my work? Did I make the right choice in life? These thoughts swirled around her all day long. They made her feel heavy and exhausted. She would sit in front of her canvas, but her mind was too full to create. The colors seemed dull, and her hands felt stiff. She couldn't find joy in her passion anymore. Her creativity was trapped behind a wall of mental clutter. One evening, while walking through an old bookstore, Clara found a small, dusty book. Its title was The Empty Cup. The book told the story of an ancient master who taught that to receive new knowledge, one must first empty their own cup of old ideas. The idea fascinated Clara. She thought, my mind is like a cup that is overflowing. Maybe I need to empty it to find my inspiration again. Determined, Clara decided to try an experiment. The next morning, instead of letting her thoughts take over, she went to a quiet park. She sat on a bench, closed her eyes, and just listened. She listened to the birds singing, the leaves rustling in the wind, and the distant sounds of the city. She didn't try to stop her thoughts, but she also didn't hold on to them. She let them come and go like clouds drifting across the sky. At first, it was very difficult. Her mind kept pulling her back to her worries, but she kept practicing day after day. Slowly, something began to change. The constant noise in her head started to quiet down. She found small moments of complete silence, moments of pure emptiness. One day, after her morning practice, she returned to her studio. She looked at her blank canvas, but this time she saw endless possibilities. With a clear and calm mind, she picked up her brush. Ideas flowed freely, and colors came to life. She painted for hours, completely lost in the moment. When she finally stepped back, she had created her most beautiful painting yet. Clara learned that emptying her mind wasn't about having no thoughts at all. It was about creating space, a space for peace to enter, for creativity to flourish, and for joy to return. So if your spirit feels heavy today, maybe it's not more answers you need, maybe it's space. Empty your mind. Breathe. Begin again. If this tale has lightened your mind, take the next step. Subscribe for more stories, more lessons, more growth. Listen, speak, evolve.